this look, and if you want to know how I recreated this look, just keep on watching and I'll try to make it as simple as possible. Promise. Okay. So I already have my foundation and my concealer on. So I'm taking this Makeup Revolution Neutrals versus Neutrals palette, and I'm taking this orange shadow, which I always use for my crease. I'm tired of telling you guys the same thing over and over again, and I'm sorry if I sound a little weird. I'm actually really sick and I have a sore throat and a stuffy nose, so I'm gonna sound a little weird. So now I'm taking this lighter shade concealer and I'm cutting my crease. It's pretty basic. You take a concealer brush and you shape out your eyelid. So I'm gonna do that for a really long while because, well, it takes some time. Anyway, now I'm gonna set my concealer with a lighter eyeshadow from the Neutrals versus Neutrals palette, which is almost white, and I'm setting my concealer and I'm putting it everywhere the concealer is. And I'm talking a lot because I wanted this to be chatty, but the audio malfunctioned. So I'm taking this H&M palette. Yes, H&M makes beauty products. So H&M eyeshadow palette, and they didn't have a name at the back and I didn't get a name in the box. So I'm taking this purple eyeshadow and this e.l.f. brush. This is a shader brush, and I am going to just put that purple eyeshadow on my lids. Like wherever I put my concealer, I'm gonna put on that. Sorry guys. I'm gonna put on the purple eyeshadow. Now I'm just packing on the purple eyeshadow to make it look more vibrant, and I'm also talking because I already told you I wanted this video to be chatty, but it didn't work out that way. So I'm doing this for a really long while. Now I'm taking this cranberry shade from the Neutrals versus Neutrals palette, and I'm taking this thick, precise eyeshadow brush. Thick, yeah. And I'm just going to blend out any harsh lines the purple eyeshadow created. Yeah. I'm taking the buffing brush I used at first, and I'm taking that orange shadow again, and I'm just blending my crease. This look is all about blending, and especially looks like these, which take some time. You should always focus on your blending because blending is very important. I'm sorry guys, it's just really hard for me to talk. Now I'm just brushing off all the fallout from the eyeshadows, and I'm using a fat powder brush for that. Now this is a close-up look of what was the byproduct of all those steps. Now I'm taking the fat pencil brush, and I'm gonna put the cranberry shade underneath. I'm gonna put the cranberry shade on my lower lash line, and I'm just doing the same thing on the other eyes. I'm just basically going to replicate everything on my lower lash line except for the purple eyeshadow. I'm taking this more precise pencil brush, and I'm taking this brown shadow. You can just use any brown shadow. I'm using the Flawless palette from Makeup Revolution, and I'm just going to put this on the edges of my lower lash line and on the edges of my lids, just to make it all come together in a way.
The same thing on the other eye, and talking a lot, which might distract you, but I don't have an option. I'm dusting off the fallout again with the same powder brush. Now this is the byproduct without any eyeliner or lashes. So yeah, now I'm taking this Paris Hilton metallic eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna put this on my crease with this angled brush. It's just for being extra, nothing else, but this makes the look more dramatic in a way. So I'm just putting it on my crease, and I'm not dragging it all the way outwards, but just focusing on the inward part of my lids. And I'm doing the same thing on the other eye. This takes a while because I'm not really good with metallic eyeshadows on like an angled brush, and this is also my first time trying this product, so yeah. But yeah, that's how it looks. It just makes the look more extra, nothing else. And I'm doing the same thing on the other eye, and I made it a bit thick, so I said fuck. So yeah, I'm not exactly dragging it all the way outwards. I'm just keeping it on my crease and focusing it on the inward part the most. I'm just focusing it on the inward part of my lids. Now this is how it looks, and I just put on some lashes and eyeliner, and this is the final look. Now I'm just gonna put on some blush. I'm taking this peach shade from the BH Cosmetics blush palette. This is a 10 color blush palette. I use this all the time. You should be bored of it by now. I'm taking this blush brush, which is really fluffy and I love it. And I'm blending my blush for a really long time. Now I use this Scandalize eyeliner, which is in the shade Nude, and I've already put it on my waterline. Now I'm using this Makeup Revolution Golden Sugar palette, and I'm taking this pinkish highlighter, and I'm just highlighting the high points of my cheekbones, my nose, and obviously appreciating the glow. Now I'm also gonna take this golden champagne shade just to pack it on the pink shade, just to make it, I don't know, more glamorous. So usually the pink shade is more like blends into my skin. It does give that wet look, but this champagne shade makes it look more glam. Again on my brow bone as well, I'm taking this little shader brush, like it's really small, and I'm putting that pink highlighter on my inner corners to highlight my inner corners. Yay! So now I'm gonna use Lash Paradise from L'Oreal, and I'm gonna put on some mascara on my lower lash line, which I forgot to do earlier because I'm very forgetful. Anyway, I take a really long time doing my lashes, especially my lower lashes, and I need my mascara to be perfect. So this is gonna take a while. Taking this Clinique lipstick in Party Red, but this looks pink on me because I already had concealer on my lips. This Makeup Revolution Oil Control Setting Spray, and I'm just spraying it all over my face.
So this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it, and if you do, please like, share, and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me, and I got a lot of requests for this eye look, so you guys better like it.